Welcome to Passionate Learners CNC Programming channel. In this video we will see how to take PLC backup into USB or card reader in Mitsubishi Controller. Press F0 button. Press left arrow button. Press external file operation. Press NC to external. Press select all. Press right. Under path option select M card or USB option. Press project name. Type the project name as per your requirement. Press select. You can see that PLC backup into card or USB has been completed. Thank you for watching the video.